Everybody, it's Jill, and I recently got a request talking about how do Americans introduce themselves? What are some ways that people introduce themselves? So first, I'm just going to give you a couple of phrases, but then I want to talk about the pattern of speech, the intonation, right? The phrasing, the rhythm. So let's see. First one that comes to my mind is, hey, how's it going? Hey, how's it going? I guess a couple things to notice there is the hey, right, has a high pitch to grab the person's attention. I'm excited, I'm enthusiastic. Hey, and then how's it going? A couple things to notice about the rhythm is you get the linking, how's it, right? So you get that connection, that flow. How's it going? And I don't really pronounce that G at the end of the word going. Hey, how's it going? Try it. Great. Here's another one, a little more formal. Hello, how are you today? If I was going into a meeting, I was meeting a client, I would definitely be more formal. Hello, how are you doing today? Very specific. How are you doing today? Not too many contractions there, right? There's just a nice flow. So I speak on one breath. Again, I'm still using the hello, my intonation. Hello, how are you doing today? And this whole idea of speaking on one breath is really important, right? For the thought chunk. Hello, I could breathe if I wanted to in between. How are you doing today? And that's one thought chunk, and it connects from word to word, and it's all on one breath. Let's see if I can think of one more. Well, here's one that's really informal. Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up? Kind of, do you hear how high that is? Hey, what's up? And the what is up? What's up? What's up? That's really slang. Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up? Try that. It's funny, right? What's up? It's just another way to say what's going on, what's new, how are you? It's just a greeting. So there are some greetings for you. I hope that not only they were informative ways of saying hello and greeting somebody in the US, but also again, the intonation pattern, the flow, the rhythm of the phrases, and really just practicing those. I wish you all the luck with that. I also wanted to just take a moment to let you know that there is a new program, the American Accent Accelerator program, and I'll be running the second cohort in October of 2022, and I hope that you will join the group. So go ahead and look for the link. It's in today's, the description of today's video. Click on that, go check it out, get your application in, and come on over so that we can do more with flow and intonation and rhythm and get you speaking confidently. All right, remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.